Alright, so what I'd like to do today is get these grips off. I'm going to replace them with new grips that I bought. I'm going to clean up the bar. If it still looks quite ugly, I might actually paint over it. And remove this dinky little reflector. And I'm going to clean up these shifters a little bit, make them look nicer. I might also have to spray paint these, I'm not sure yet. We'll see how they clean up first. If I have time, I will also change the shift and brake lines here, all of these lines. But for now, I'm just going to try and go ahead and clean it up and change the grips. So the first thing I'd like to do is go ahead and remove the front brake cable. Alright, so I want to stop for a moment and talk about this toolkit here. I bought this toolkit a few years ago when I got my first bike that I wanted to maintain myself, because a bicycle is actually quite a simple machine. It's not like a car. There isn't all that many things to learn about it. Just to maintain your own bike and actually keep it running and keep it smooth, you can do most of the work yourself with some basic tools, but you do need some basic bicycle tools. So I went ahead and bought this kit a few years ago, which includes pretty much so far everything I've needed. Quite a lot of different kits out there. This one was sort of like the best bang for your buck type of kit to buy. There are definitely brands out there that are more expensive, but you get better quality. And then there's also brands that are a lot cheaper than this brand, and of course they don't last as long. But this is the kit I've got and I've used over the years, and I'm really happy with it. Let me go ahead and open up real quick and show you guys what's inside. Kind of just a quick run through, and so you guys can see, kind of get an idea of what you're gonna probably need to get if you're gonna do work like this on your own bike. This kit, it's just like a regular toolbox. A lot of the stuff you see up here I actually have accumulated over the years. They don't come with the kit, but a lot of it does. It definitely comes with more tools underneath. For example, cone wrenches and just cleaning tools and stuff like that. Get your basic hex tools. And here's even more down here. So it comes with the chain tool, for example. Bottom bracket tools of different kinds, 2 different kinds of bottom bracket tools and such. So you get quite a lot of tools. And the tool I'm about to reach for to do the next part in this video is this one. And this one is basically a tool to cut your shift or brake cables, including the outer casing if you need to. So yeah, so anyway, I just want to kind of give you guys a heads up that you are going to need some special tools if you're going to do all the stuff I'm going to do to this bike. A lot of the stuff I'm going to do, you can use just regular, simple home tools if you have those. But I do recommend buying, if you are serious about owning a bike and you don't want to waste a lot of money taking your bike in to the shop for every little thing. A kit like this doesn't cost all that much, and it'll get you through a lot of different things. I'll leave a link to this kit in the description of this video. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and continue now with the rest of the video. One thing I want to mention is when you start removing all these cable housings, I know your first thought is to just get rid of them and throw them away, especially if they're all messed up like the ones that mine are. But don't throw these cable housings away. You're gonna need them for measurement. So when you put new cable housings over those cables, it makes it a lot easier to reference the length of the old ones. So just keep these around until you put the new cable housing and everything is good. Another thing is sometimes cable housing doesn't come with these ends, these cap ends here. So you might have to reuse these if it doesn't come with it, or if you don't have any extras, you might have to reuse these. So try not to throw these things away either until you're sure you're not going to need them.